past the evergreen. Tell me, baby, do you see? I see every little thing. Tell me, baby, you feel the wind driving fast down past your street. Tell me now, what can you see? I see.
Hello, friends. It's Kylie, and we're doing another vlog. So, we're gonna do a week in my life as a slow morning. So, actually, wala na ako na show ang morning. But, slow morning means I don't have to go to work. I don't need to rush myself to go to work because I'm on leave now. So, this came after the Kamigan vlog. So this is like the part two of my leave. So I'm leave for 8 days, and that was like the first half of my leave, and now it's the second half. And I'm just staying at home, doing things that I like and love, and just trying to breathe, trying to refill my cup because I cannot pour on an empty cup. I cannot pour myself or like my energy if it's empty. Oh, virch, but like yeah. So, kanina morning, I actually nakatulog yun ko gabi because I don't know, maybe I was too tired from the biyahe. And nakatulog ko, I woke up around 6. I did some few editings because I have a lot of backlogs. So, I just don't post here on YouTube. I also post on my YouTube Shorts. I post on TikTok and I post on my Instagram. So all the handles will be on the description, or if di ko tapulan, na here below. And a lot of you actually request that I do a much longer videos. So I'll try to make one starting this video, cause kanang medyo kapuyan medyo jud ko edit og long form, but like, yeah, because since it is requested by you guys, then I'm gonna do it. Even though in my 20 viewers, that's fine. It's just making myself sane and happy. So, yeah, I did a chores a while ago and I just ate. I tried to book flights because I really want to do some amazing trips this year and next year, but inflation kay best, mahal kaayo ang everything. So, I might need to cancel a one trip this year and just trying and praying nga makaget ko another one next year. And yeah. And then I just did the chores, nang labak ko sa ko mga stuff. I didn't able to na document it because I woke up around 6 a.m. Then nag-edit ko and then nakatulog na po ko again and I woke up later than usual. So yeah, I guess I needed that rest as well. And now we're going to the pickleball cart. So I'm just preparing myself and I'm actually ready na. And I'm actually late because one akong open play, but and layo ba siya from our house. But yeah, too much talking na. It's almost 3 minutes. Oh my god. I like my new mic. I got a new mic, so I invested in a new mic, as what I uploaded in 2 videos ago. Invest in a new mic, and I really did invest in a new mic. So see you later. Hello friends, I'm already home. So time check, it's already 5:20 p.m. And open play ended at 4. Nag-move it lang ko pa uli kay like kapag yung lawas and uhaw kayo and init and igang. So I just want to go home as fast as I can. So nag-move it na lang ko. Anyways, right now I am doing my devotionals kay 'di ba nagkamigin miss. So medyo na kuanta, na delayed ta and I wanna bawi for my devotionals. So I'm gonna read right now and just have some quiet time by myself and by with the Lord, of course. So yes. And then after this, mga to siguro kog pop up sa akong friend and agto ko sa birthday sa akong friend. Akams! See you later! Hello, we are ready to go. Still have a messy room whatsoever. Mo na gyud na siya. And this is my outfit because the theme is to wear an outfit on a wrong event something. So the party or the birthday is all about like coffee, sojichas, and other stuff. So we're excited to try it. But I'm going to my friend's pop-up first. So maginanin ako daan kay mugo na din ko dito. Shirt from Under Armour, skirt, pickleball skirt from Ukay, and then socks lang na yun. And then I'll wear my shoes, and then we're ready to go.
Cruise control won't take me home, but will it make you mine? Had the wheel, but I let go, 'cause I don't have the drive. Chasing trailers, got no pay. Cause you don't have time.
Matcha oatmeal cookie. Cookie. Ah, may cookie. Pero may siya guys, 40 pesos only. And it's healthy because it's oatmeal. 8 out of 10. Hello! Day 1, Cheryl's pop-up. Cheryl's Rose. Hi! We are going to
First day as a
try
cashier. Ano na siya? Ay, pink lagi na ay.
sea salt pink. Sea salt pink foam matcha by Mori Matcha, our favorite. First step. Oh, lamig kahit.
Eh, pa-try daw ko.
Lamig kayo.
Mas second favorite.
Asa mo sunod?
Kami siya. Sila, Burgmaster sauce mata sila.
A sweet glaze.
Hot honey. I think kapilo na naman ako siya yun, no? Yeah.
We also have here, sana? Yummy. The new and improved recipes by our baker friend. Baker mom.
Okay, wala yung cheese. Nakakatong ako ni Bay. Mali siya nga cheese di ay. Kanang cheddar? Kani?
Yummy.
Wala ko itong tubig.
And we're going
Share!
secret. Bye all. Bye. Hi, we're having dinner first here in Jollibee. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Kaon ko. Kaon ko, guys.
We're Jollibee hack for 2 rice and for 2 rice and burger steak. And may super meal na burger steak and rice, but isa ay burger steak and chicken, but isa ka rice. So order this and that para makaget ka like separately 2 rice. Less than 200. Hello, what the? Bye. Happy birthday, Kiyo.
Pastor na kayo eh.
So, yung menu natin for tonight. Hindi, kinama tayo. Kinama tayo Tagalog. Para in ka man eh. Kasi ayaw, wala. Nasa kong
Wala English, Tagalog lang na siya taman.
So, the first drink natin for this evening is matcha latte. Kasi, you're a basic.
Mag-una version ni Kuy-Kuy mo.
Saan, Dre?
Lili. Gusto ko mo inam.
Alayin na kayo naman.
Traffic signs getting in the way. Tell me, baby, do I stay? We don't need a single thing. Tell me, babe, you feel the way.
Para magpa-subscribe daw.
This is Gio's Earl Grey matcha latte. Let's judge it. Judger ako ko, Gio.
Sige lang, Dodger, masarap mo. Pag-jutsa.
Yung bulog ni.
Kuan, yan na lang mo.
Mga 8.4 out of 10.
Kahit tuwa na lang cake ako, cake.
Friends, it's been hours later after the last clip. So nakauli na ko. I changed into pambahay clothes and actually took some rest. And it's actually 2 a.m. na. So ganina ako nakali mga around 11. And kato, medyo nakalimot ko nag-vlog Monday ko throughout this week. So, medyo na akong sakit. Like, mag-vlog din. Nalimot ko nga vlog ko. So, anyways. But, what I was doing a while ago is I'm trying to declutter my things. Like, na mga gamit na din na ako gakagamit na useful pa siya. I try to sell it in Facebook Marketplace. So, if ever makita ko ninyo nga baligya sa Facebook Marketplace, yun ako niya i-bash, guys. Palitan na lang ninyo or i-share sa inyong friends. But now, I am working on my La Letre products. Some are the letters that I am making and giving like orders for Mother's Day because Mother's Day month is coming Sunday, which is pag makita na ninyo man ang Mother's Day. So, nara ang handwritten letter inside, nag-write na ko cause one order said na ako ra mag-write and the other kilay ang ang owner ang nag-write. So, ang owner ang nag-write. So, pwede ra gyud nga kamo ang mag-write. We are just going to arrange it for you. And then, kana siya pink ing napili. Kani pink ang content and then silver. And then, naalang din ko a little post stamp in the back. So, ako lang ning gi-write karon like the content and then tomorrow we're going to seal it para mahatag na nato sa 10. Kasi 10 man nila kuhaon because 10 is the Mother's Day. So, yeah. I'm also gonna try to make marketing stuff. Kaya pwede pa mo apas until tomorrow. Taman sa 10. So, okay. Kana lang, a little update and then I'm gonna sleep na because it's 2 a.m. and then naapo ko another business to run tomorrow. So, buntag mi ugma sayo. So, okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Day 1. Hello, friends. Another day, another vlog. So, this is the day 2. And it's March. Wala ka. Nag-time travel. Today is May 9, 2026. And it's already 8:56 by 9 maglakaw mi moagtumi og SNR because as I said yesterday we're doing like a business of me and my mom started this year apod we started this last year like mga pasabay and stuff, so we're gonna do it now since I am free, no work. And nag-ayos lang ko because after this mag pickleball na pud ko and duol-duol naman yun ang SNR kung asa ko mag-play later. So, madiretso na lang. So, nag-dress up na lang ko daan. And, we're gonna bring people with us, like AKA my family, kaya sila man ang gusto magpasabay for today. So, yeah, you could also tag along with us kung gusto mo magpasabay like sa SNR because it's a grocery. But, walay but. Depende lang yun if gusto mo. You just need to tell us. And karon kay giusa na lang namo sila kay gusto man sila magpasabay like family. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go and grab some breakfast first because I'm hungry and you never go to a grocery store hungry because your carts will be filled. So para iwasan na. And you know what? I'm watching Gift's vlog and this 55-minute video. Like kaka-inspired ko to make a longer content even though like I don't even think so that I can mag-watch. But, like, na nag-request. So, let's do that. Balag taas kay a week. So, jud ko na mag-a week in my life. Kay taas gid kay siya and I don't think people has the attention span to watch it all. But, I think some do. So, let's gonna do that. Guys, wala na ako na pag mata nako kay dugay ko nakamata actually. Ay nakamata ko ganina 5. Kay grabe kay igang. Kaya na-off man ako aircon around 5 pod. Like mga 5:30 nakamata ko kay igang. I was supposed to like lessen my energy consumption para pod makatipid. But igang gid kay best. So good thing na lang ang mulakaw ko karon so I don't we need to use the aircon. So mo to like then after na to late na din ko nakamata. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I'm very hungry. Breakfast. So daan daw ni from yesterday. Wala na ako na-eat. Kinago ko sa akong friend's birthday and then rice. Bahaw ha. Say hi. We're off to SNR. Naglagom jud ko. Like, I'm shade darker because my blush on di na siya maklaro. Like, ito nga shade. But it's okay. Hindi na ako maka-blush blindness for like pila ka months. Ba? Di na maklaro kong blush. Like, I put the same amount. Pero di na siya mo, light na siya nga shade of me. Shade of you. Shade of us. Together too. Sorry. Hello friends, welcome to SNR. So first stop is vitamins. Ano ko diri? Kay para mic. Then let's see if madunggan kog tarong. I will interview you. How was your Camiguin trip?
Amazing.
Wala ta mag-interview. Here we are in the chocolate section. Chocolate section! Uy, lami kay ni. Muning gid padala ni Ate Rio. Lami kay ni, I swear. Yeah. We're here at the oatmeal section. My family. It's good for the health. And look at my cousin. He has a list of things that he wanted. This is how OC he is. It runs in the family. This is my favorite in SNR, but the katong original bitaw, dili na flavored one. It's only 81 pesos for 3. But I want the milk one, yung dili chocolate. Pero wala na sila stock. There's more family coming. And I'm here to fetch them. Just finding an exit. What time is it now? I have game at 1. It's still 10:15 though. Welcome to the vlog.
Hello guys, pimples ko guys.
Tell me what's your favorite flavor that you wanted to taste?
Fun. Kani.
The mint chocolate one.
Guys,
Will
pag-donate para makakaon kuan.
donate how much?
Mga 384.
Okay. Please.
Please, anyone in the world na magtanaw donate me some money.
I'm gonna test this out kung unsa kalayo. Nagmakuha akong sound. Hello. Dun, 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 dun. Hello. Man of truth. First damage. First cart. Wow. Extreme air freshness. This is number 95 sa electric fan. Time. Oh my God. I completely forgot that I'm vlogging. Yun na nga yung sinasabi ko, guys. Like, inana ko sakit. Like, it's been a challenge for me to go, to like remember nga vlog ko. So anyways, I think the last clip was I was playing pickleball. And I was around 2 p.m., 3 p.m. And then I went home. And I just sold my guitar because I'm not using it anymore. Like, sayang. Like, it's for pila na ka years. It's just sitting there. So I sold it in Facebook Marketplace. And then, nakatulog ako, guys. I think it was like 2 hours or 1 hour na nakatulog ako. And then, nakagising, nag-chores a little bit. So I have fresh sheets over there. And then, nag-dinner. Hindi na ako naka-video kasi nakalimutan. I was like, I feel like sunburn talaga. Like, my nose is so itchy. Diba? It's like a sign of sunburn. Yung nag-itch yung nose mo. But anyways, right now, I am just tallying or like doing some paperworks, computer works regarding the business, small business that I have with me and my mom. And I have another pickleball play later at 9 p.m. Yes, double booking po. Ganito po yung meaning ng wala po tayong trabaho. Palati na po tayong nagpipickleball. Full-time pickleball player po tayo. Sideline lang po natin yung mga businesses natin. Tapos side quest lang po yung pagtatrabaho. Opo, ganun po yung life natin ngayon. Sana ganito always. Charis. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna document it lang dude kay it's somewhat personal and private. So, see you later po. Hello, friends. Day 3 of a week in my life. Today is May 10. Happy Mother's Day. We're done church and now we're in Rakeyata Ramen for our Mother's Day lunch. It's my treat. We have tonkatsu ramen, karaage, tonkatsu, and curry fries. Hello everyone, I'm back from our Mother's Day celebration and I've changed into new clothes and we are going to my friend's pop-up this in a few hours. But ako lang sang ihan ay akong self kay gabi guys, guman ako tanan ako ang to-do list and in a rush and I forgot to document it. So kapoy kay ko nakatug na ko kay twice ako nagdulag pickleball gapon wapud na ko na record. So karon pa ko maghanay sa akong life good sa akong day and yeah, just gonna have some quiet time. So maybe this is like the slow morning that I always wanted pero dugay kay ko gamata guys. I'm really not a morning person. Dili sa jud kog mata sayo. Manang kong AM shift even though I love AM shift. Pero dugay jud ko makamata. Yeah, that's all. See you in time lapse. Hello friends, we're here at the booth now and I'm currently alone kaya nagibay akong friend. So, I'll be the tindera for the last day because today is the last day of our booth. Kaya nag-share man mi sa akong mga tulo ka friends na first day, the second day, and I'm the last. So, is Biscoff cookie and red velvet Oreo cookie, our honey sweet churva nga cinnamon rolls and classic. Come through guys, even though pagkita ninyo mana na siya. Yan lang, update. At least wala ko nakalimot og vlog. Ikaw maklaro, naka-cinema. Hi Shelly Scrolls.
Hello! Last day na ni Sharon, guys. So, pagdali na mo.
Last day today. It's already 7:26 p.m. We are refilled on our next stop. Have few left of our hot honey, cheesy garlic, and our cookies. Nag-refill din mi sa mong classic ones. So please come along and para maubos na ang everything. Hi Shelly. What can you say on your 3-day pop-up? How is it like?
Wow. Wait, na pressure ang tao, girl. Okay, I think first downtown pop-up is actually like, I'd say good, but not very good. Cause medyo hinay ang like foot traffic. Pero yeah, it's a good opportunity kay murag na-introduce siya downtown. So, more na ako maingan.
Yes, but we're always here to support you, friend. Our mom, happy Mother's Day.
Thanks, my dear daughter. Ay, Regards mi sa amo manager nga relax, charis na review siya. So, good luck sa iyang board exam.
Dayon, ma-upload ni Mana din ang board exam. We already had our cup of matcha by Mori Matcha, and we're gonna keep this sticker for junk journal. Ubus na po yung matcha, but the sticker remains for our junk. Hello, ma. We're home and I am very haggard na gyud. Hagardo Versosa. Actually, nakauli na ko ganina mga around 10:30. And then it's already 12, so like nag-rest lang ko and nag-tidy up gamay. Maski, di naman talaga. But yes, that was a good pop-up even though not that busy as the Uptown pop-up kasi doon usually yung mga pop-ups talaga. And then nag-try lang na mag-downtown. Maybe because the place is not that familiar with the general public or I don't know, pero iba talaga yung hype na nasa Uptown and feel like kasi mas known sila doon to host a pop-up. But it was still a good experience for my friend. I was just there to help and I'm very, very happy to have some freebies to get home, to bring home with me and also mga other pop-up merchants na give rin sila because today's the last day. So that was a good one. And then tonight mag-devo lang muna ako for before I sleep, quiet time again. And yeah, I think I'm gonna continue vlogging tomorrow because tomorrow is gonna be the last day of my leave. I really don't wanna go back to work. Oh my god. I think the leave is not enough for me to rest and to refill my cup or to refill my energy, but life goes on and kailangan na nating mag-work ulit. But basically I think like I still have day and hours pa jud before to go to work because night shift pa man ko sa 12, but still yeah. And sige lang cause I think I'm gonna continue having my another leave maybe in the next month. And I'm planning again to have my pop-up next month as well. So preparations na naman tayo and all that stuff. So I'm gonna get busy na naman. And then for sure backlogs na naman sa lahat ng mga vlogs na ginagawa ko. But if hindi ako makapag-upload regularly here on YouTube, you can always search me on my social media page on TikTok and not page, account talaga. TikTok and Instagram. The handles are here again in the below or sa description because kasi short form mas madali makapag-edit and makapag-upload. So for more updated or like real time kanamer na mga videos, you could always find me there. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna sleep. Guys, ginatuyo na gyud nako need to make this video long. So I hope this is long enough. I guess it crosses 30 minutes na. And I hope I get to have better results. But anyways, okay. See you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Friends, I just woke up good. And today is May 11, 2026. It's 10 a.m. And I don't have anything to do in the morning. Good nga, I need to go out. So I'm just gonna stay here. And later pa ata ko mulakaw. So there's an urgent order for La Letre. And I'm just gonna make it. Actually, salin niya sa ako yung pop-up back in last month. And wala dyan siya na kuan. I don't think patok ang pop-up cards. But this is how it's supposed to be like. Wait. Ako lang So, when you open it, it's supposed to pop like this. So, yeah. Medj wala siya na patok. But it's fine. I could still use it for the next na mga Per na nag-order actually and I'm so happy. So, I'm just gonna write the content down. Kaniyang i-order. So, when you open it, like this. So I'm just gonna make it and write the content. And I'm gonna make it deliver sa iya because she needs it before lunch. So, wala na akong buhatan karon. And then, of course, chores because tomorrow duty na. Which is I really don't like. But we have no choice. So, yeah. I'm gonna write it first muna. I'm not gonna take a video of it because it's personal. Every order of my clients or customers or whatsoever is private and personal. That's why I don't record or I don't even take pictures or kanang mga og samples sa kong handwritings. I can't take pictures of it or the sample of the letters because the content is personal. Like everything is personalized in this business. So for privacy, I cannot explain. So yun lang. I'm just gonna write and I'm gonna see you later. Ay! Nabangga pa. Just did my laundry. Hand washed, no washing machine. Because marami na mga laundry sa outside, so we just pa-laundry ang mga stuffs, other stuffs. Pero yung mga kung may ginagamit, hand washed. Snack time! With Netflix. Oh, I love this life. Oh, we're going to a pickleball drills day. So I'm just wearing my dirty ass mirror. Is my favorite mirror. A tank top, sleeveless from my mom, and an ukay skirt, and then mag socks and all. But yeah, we're going in a while. I'm just waiting para mag-go na rin me. And then, ay, mag-burn kog tripod para nice. Zadig is. Okay, bye. See you later. Guys, today we're going to do our pickleball secret training. Oh my god, guys. This is so scary. This is my first pickleball training with my coach. Ay, wala. Ay, wala na abot. Ah! Nag-abas ko? Oh my God! Mali akong dink? Ano man? Ah, okay. Get it. Ay, walahi. Are you damn? Ah! Walahi ko. Ay, kusog kayo. Wow! Naka-score ko! Isa lang. Reset. Sorry.